Hello! This video is gonna be a re-upload of the Hungarian 75M mask. I had some info messed up, and someone took the time and looked after it, and well, uh, it's the not messed up info now that I have. So, as you can see, this is the Hungarian 75M civilian mask. It has been produced during the Cold War, and the previous mask to this was the 60M, which looks nearly identical, but it had this metal ring made out of plastic. So I think I could spot just that difference, nothing else. As you can see, it has a little neck thing where you can just hang this in your neck in case of something happens. These masks weren't issued directly to the civilians of Hungary. It was stored in the civil defense, the CV or the PV, the Polgárvédelem, as we call the civil defense in Hungarian, the Polgárvédelem. Polgár means civil, and Védelem means defense. And these were handed out after the Soviet regime has failed, and there are many masks, like millions. Well, not millions, but there are many masks, like in every second household. I bought this mask relatively cheap, and if you are looking for it and you don't have the luck of being Eastern European, then you probably should look up an Eastern European reselling site for, well, fairly cheap, like $1 to $2, if you want this mask. So this strap system is very uncomfortable. I will demonstrate this in a minute, and that will not. And as you can see, the inside of the mask there is a rubber inside and a canvas like fabric outside. And this as you can see, there's a 2. It means it's a sizing measurement. So the little eyepieces were made of glass, and they are in this metal thing around them. And well, yeah, it has this intake outtake valve, and the inside of the mask is very dusty. So yeah, so let's wear this mask. I think that would be the best to do, and I will demonstrate why this strap system. Oh shit! Oh, I think I just messed the mask up. Wait a minute, I can do this. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience, but I just messed the mask's trap system up. But I'm working in a solution right now. So yeah, here we go with that. The other strap goes down. So okay, yep, and this will. Sorry again for this inconvenience, but I seem to have having problems with the. Okay, so I do like that, and I then do this little trick. Okay, I got this. So one of the straps have came out, and kind of So I had to repair the mask right now. Okay, and shit, I think. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Fuck. Okay, so I cut. So. Okay, I got this. Okay, so okay, this strap system is just horrible. Because there is nothing securing these little these little straps in place, and that means that the mask is, well, it's cheap, by the way. So it was cheap for the government to make, and okay, I just fixed it. So here we go with the mask. I'm gonna wear this. Wait, I'm just okay. We're good. So yeah, let's wear the mask itself. So. So the first thing that you might notice that my ears, I don't know if you see them, but my ears, and this kind of has this little funky smell to it. Okay, so it's very uncomfortable wearing this mask because at the top there is okay, and there is something in my nostril. The mask is pressurized, but the mask is folding up like crazy, and as you can see, my there. These straps are like at the ear level, like they are at the ear level. So the lenses are folding up like crazy, and yeah, I think I should take this down. Oh yeah, and this thing over here, the lower strap is kind of. Whew. So the mask was very dusty. Like I had hair and like this very bad dust thing constantly getting in my nostrils. So this is leather. I think if you are not the exact size of the mask won't fit you. By the way, this mask is looking pretty cool. I wouldn't lie, but it's just so badly made. Like it's a shame. Like these straps are just horribly designed, and yeah. Also, it has a 40mm ghost filter intake, so I'm gonna demonstrate this. I'm not gonna wear the mask itself while the filter is on the mask. So as you can see, here is this is how it looks like with filters. I can't really test the mask itself because I don't have Polish filters or modern Polish style filters, which would, well, it would fit the mask. I'm just checking for okay, which would fit this 40mm ghost thing. So yeah, I think that's the end of this review. This was the Hungarian. Oh yeah, and I forgot one thing. This mask was used by the civil defense. They would have been handled out in a case of a nuclear accident or war. These were stored. Well, they were given to the military for use, but they were just like stored. Also, it was planned to be an industrial mask, and they were handled out. And there is photographic evidence of it being well held in factories, but unfortunately there is no photographic or any other kind of evidence that it has been used as an industrial mask for escaping purposes or for other purposes. So yeah, I think I've said everything about this Hungarian 75M mask. And yeah, that's it. See you next video.